Hello, how are you? Hi. Oh my, look at these. They're little baby pot-bellied pigs. This one must be like the runt. He's the size of like a kitten. So I'm at the Oshawa Zoo. So I'm gonna have fun today and go look at some animals. So let's see what they have. Oh, the little pigs are eating from the mama. Hey, some chickens. Hi guys. These guys are just free running around. Hi. Aww, little sweeties. Little babies. Oh, it's a little tiny little like monkey. There's no name on the enclosure. I don't know what they are. They're so cute and small. Hello, goat. Hey, baby goatie. Oh, you were sweet. Hi. Look at you. You got little tiny horns, eh? Look at them. Are you eating that fence? Oh, this deer is so small. I think it's a deer. Looks like a deer. Maybe some kind of goat deer. Wow. It's beautiful. Hi. Hi. Look at all these goats. Who wants one? Would you like one?
Hey. Stop being greedy.
Gonna look at this lemur. Okay, we got some raisins. Hi. Here we go. Oh, did you see that? Took it right from my hand with his hand. Oh. That's so cute. You're so cute. There's a baby camel. It's a baby camel, but it's huge. Check out the legs. Wow.
You're cute. I get it for you. Come here. Come here. You like that? Look at his eyelashes. Yeah.
Beautiful. Hi.
Yeah. Grab it.
Hi, buddy. It's like a white emu.
Oh my God. Oh.
Look at these beautiful sheep. Oh, I dropped one. I need another one.
I dropped one.
You're so pretty. Hello. You're beautiful. Yeah, you want to eat my camera? Hi. Well, that's the mother and that's the baby. That's so cute. Hello. Look at this beautiful pony. Hi. You're gorgeous. Gorgeous. Would you like a piece of popcorn? Aw, so gentle. Good boy. Okay.
You're a stocky little guy, aren't you?
Aw, hello little guy. Hi. Hello. There you go. You're so cute. Look how dirty they are. That's why they're called pigs. Aw. Look at this. There's a whole group of them coming. Oh, you're ever cute. Hi. Wah, wah, wah.
Okay, you get another one.
Look at these
You
ones.
get one there.
Oh, there's a big one. That's the one with the tusks.
Hi, Dusky.
Hey, squeaking? Oh, you're so cute. Look at your walk. So look at these animals. They look like they're part rabbit and part deer. They're called maras. It says rabbits. Look at that. Amazing. Oh! Yeah, he rolls around like my rabbit does. So they're very cute. The kangaroo rolling around. That's so cute. Got an itch? That must be the mama right there. Alright, so that's the end of my zoo tour. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's adorable little kangaroo. Look at that. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.